Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to load paper in a Canon Pixma TR4500 series printer. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, this is specifically the Canon Pixma TR4522 printer, okay? So once again, this is specifically the TR4522 printer, but if you have a different version of this series of printers, then it's gonna be very, very similar, the process for loading paper. So if you have a Canon Pixma TR4500 series printer, whether it's a TR45 blank blank, whatever the case is, then it's gonna be a very similar process because the TR4500 series printers include the TR4522 and also TR45, fill in the blank, the last two numbers with a whole bunch of different other ones as well. Okay, so it's very simple. There are essentially two spots to load in the paper. There's one for the paper input for printing, but there's another location for loading the paper for scanning as well, okay, and copying. So I want you to be aware of that. So the main thing for loading the paper is that I'll show you where we're going to start. We're starting as if it's like fresh, just right out of the box. So what we're going to do now is we're going to flip down this primary door. Okay, that exposes this tray. Now underneath this tray, I'm going to lift this. This is the output. So this is where the paper comes out when it prints. Okay, that's where the paper comes out. I'm going to slide that in just so we can sort of get it out of the way. Where the paper goes in, where you load the paper input is right here underneath. And if we lift this up, you can see that there's actually a little blue tab. And this is used if you're using smaller sizes of paper. Okay, and you want to load and you want to sort of keep it nice and like tightly together. But since we're using letter, we're going to open it up pretty much all the way. Okay, we're using just standard 8.5 by 11 paper, so we got to pretty much open this all the way for the most part. Now you can essentially just take your sheets of paper, your blank sheets of paper that you will be printing on, and you can just slide them in like that. Okay, so it's really easy to do. But if you're struggling with that, or if you're loading in a lot of sheets of paper at once, then if you look here on the diagram, it actually tells you can pull the tray out. So we can actually pull the tray out. It gives us easier access to this tab without having to even lift this up over here. So we have easier access to this tab, and we have easier access to load the paper. So now I can load the paper like this, and then I can take the tray and I can slide it back in place like that, and it clicks in place at the end. So you know you've fully inserted the tray. So that's how to load the paper, and then the printer will then take this paper and print on it. So this is your paper input tray. Now, in addition to this, there's also another spot to load the paper for when you are when you want to scan or copy multiple pages, okay? And that is the automatic document feeder tray, which is at the top. We're going to open it up like that. This is an automatic document feeder. Essentially, you can put your pages that you want to scan or copy at the top here, face up. So whatever text you want to scan or copy, face up. So if I wanted to, let's say these are all, all documents with all writing on them, and I wanted to copy them all, I could load them into this tray like this, face up. So all the writing would be face up like that. And you probably heard the beep there. That lets the printer know, the printer's letting me know that it recognizes that there's paper there. So listen up. Just like that. So that, that tells me that it knows that I've put paper in there. Now, once again, the paper will print onto these blank sheets down here. That would be here. But the paper is going to get its, the paper is going to be scanning, or the printer is going to be scanning or copying these sheets of paper up here. Very, very simple. That's it. So that is essentially how to load paper. The main place to load the paper is down here. This is the paper input tray that it will end up printing on. But if you want to load paper for scanning or copying, for the printer to read those sheets to scan or copy them, you can use the automatic document feeder up here. And if you're doing it with just a single sheet, scanning or copying, you can also load it in here in the scanner bed right here. So very simple, but the main tutorial is about loading the paper down here, but these are sort of an added bonus just in case you wanted to know that as well. And that's basically it, because it's sort of related, right? Like loading the paper, loading the paper, loading the paper, right? If you can imagine, they're sort of all related, so I figured I would include it in the same video. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.